think it's recorded in my computer. So if my computer was off the line, network means I don't think it was recorded. Okay, so we have already talked about. Okay, so any other things? So I'm going to decide on the paragraph 5 now. Aita. Some people say discovered, some people say history, some people say haha. What is it? Okay.
Some people say landing.
Yes, landing. So all that. Let's find
Some
out.
people say
Let's find out. Aita. So we know a great fact about. So let's see if it is about discovery or not. We know a great many facts about moon now. It's talking about facts about moon and now. Scientists have studied the moon through telescope for many years. This is how we know about the moon, right? Scientists have studied through telescope. So this is the main thing that is telling us how we know so many things. And recently rockets with the men. So recently rockets with men inside them have reached moon. So another thing how we know so much about moon. So this paragraph is not talking about discoveries. It is mentioned in one place, but it is also said that because for many years and have discovered many facts. So it's in a sentence where it is showing how we have done it, how we know so many facts. So I don't think discovery is the suitable topic because this paragraph is not talking about the discoveries. It's talking about how those discoveries are made. Like, we know many facts and how we know the facts. First sentence is saying we know many facts, and second is saying by studying through telescope. Third is saying by sending rocket. So there are three sentences. So in this way, I don't think it's about landing also. The whole paragraph is not talking about landing. It is talking about landing in a third sentence. So I don't think landing will be a suitable topic. Discovery will be a suitable topic. And one of you were saying history of the moon, and I don't think there is anything about the history. So I can think a suitable topic as how our knowledge, so how we get the knowledge about moon, right? So it's more about first saying we have much knowledge, and the uh, last sentence is second and third sentence is telling us how we know what we about moon,
how we know
what we know
what we know.
about moon. Is it okay? Is it too much?
Sir, मैले बुझेन.
बुझेन हामीलाई कसरी थाहा भयो हामीलाई जे कुराहरू थाहा छ नि वाट वी नो अबाउट मुन भनेको हामीलाई जे कुराहरू थाहा छ त्यो कुराहरू चाहिँ कसरी थाहा भयो हाउ वी नो वाट वी नो अबाउट मुन आई थिङ्क यस यो अलिकति बढी नै भयो ओके हाउ वी हाउ वी डेभलप्ड knowledge about moon. All right, that is more simple. This can be a topic for this. Is everyone agrees? I have already talked why discovery, landing, and history of moon is not so suitable for this. Okay, now we go to the fifth paragraph. I not fifth. I think it's the sixth paragraph. Yes. So, any suggestions for sixth paragraph? Anyone? Suggestion for sixth.
Okay, I'm on the
On this sixth paragraph, there is facts.
Yeah, facts. Okay, facts. That's good start. So, facts about something.
moon हैन
Hmm.
के भन्छ how we knowledge
How we obtain मात्र लेखे हुन्छ get मात्र लेखे हुन्छ
moon हैन खालको
yes how we get लेखे पनि हुन्छ if develop is too much. So any Renjen तपाईसँग केही छ Renjen, are you not saying anything? Renjen, you have anything for?
No, I haven't.
You are on तपाईले बुझिराख्नु भएको छ what we are doing here? Aditya?
Yes, I know.
I haven't got anything from you.
Yes, sir.
Do you have anything for paragraph 6? Yes,
I don't know.
Can you, it's not going to be difficult. Kavya said it's all facts. So facts can be a good, but facts is very vague. It can be anything. So can you tell me facts on what?
Moon is 1/4 size of the earth.
Remember, you're trying to choose a topic for this paragraph, not trying to the whole paragraph is not trying to tell us
Facts about moon.
facts about moon, but
Oh,
facts about moon is also, I think, nice. Okay, I'll take that from Kavya. Aita. Facts on moon. Facts on moon. Facts about moon. Okay.
Moon about how to say that.
Kanchan, Safalta, Sasbi, do you have Jasmine? You know Jasmine. Elaine, you have been quiet for a whole class now. Anything? I think we'll do this paragraph and then.
That's about the moon. May I say? May I say?
Yes. Yes.
That's about moon,
I don't
about
have anything.
the distance of moon.
Okay. Facts about moon, about distance of moon. Okay, that was a lot of about. So let's try it. We have facts and facts. Akash also said facts. So yeah, I agree with you. Kavya, Akash, I agree with you. This is all facts. So in a kind of a way, the writer has tried to give us the topic. The first sentence is kind of a topic. What do we know about the moon? And then the rest of the paragraph is developed on that topic. So what do we know? We know compare the moon and the size of the earth. First paragraph is talking about the size of the moon and earth. Second is telling us how it is. Third sentence. And fourth sentence is trying to tell us distance between earth and moon. So can you see something? All the paragraphs except the first, all the sentences except the sentence is trying to tell us, is trying to compare moon and earth. Either it's distance wise, size wise. This whole paragraph is kind of comparison between moon and earth. So what I can write here is, I'm going to take your topic, Kavya and Akash. So facts on comparison of moon and earth. So facts are facts, but what are they about? The facts about moon and earth. So they are trying to give us the facts comparing moon and earth. One fact is, moon with the earth, we find that moon is much smaller. Again, 1/4 the size of the earth, then distance between moon and earth. So this way, we have facts on comparison of moon and earth. Is that okay?
Pratik sir,
Yes.
attendance one
Yes.
year, right?
Don't worry about it. I've taken care of attendance. Just focus on this thing. Okay, I think time is going to finish now. So we'll talk about rest of the two or three paragraphs tomorrow. We'll sum it all, right? How this whole passage is trying to tell
Okay, sir.
using these topics and different paragraphs. Tomorrow we'll discuss on that. And please do read
Okay, sir.
remaining two paragraphs. Tomorrow I will ask Ranjan, Apeksha, those who have remained silent today. Tomorrow I'll be asking you guys
Okay, sir.
for the topics of these two paragraphs. So please come prepared. I think
Thank you, sir. Less than 1 minute.
less than 1 minute, sir. Baba, 50,
see you in
40,
3:30.
20,
You'll have
30 seconds बाद.
3:30. You'll have 3:30.
Bye.
Yes, Apeksha, I got your
Bye, bye, sir.
project work, Apeksha, and I sent you something also.